Well, what a busy night. Now, temperatures were in those upper 20s and lower 30s, which meant it wasn't that cold outside, but that did help with bringing a lot more of that moisture into the snow. So it was a lot of that heavy and wet stuff. And, well, guess how much of it fell? 12 inches a foot in Bessemer. Painesdale at 11.5, 11 getting close to Houghton, so close to a foot there in Redridge at 10 inches. And a lot of us did see anywhere between 8 to 12 throughout the overnight. And might even see maybe another 1 inch as we head into the evening, but now things are a lot quieter. That area of low pressure beginning to work its way off to the north and to the east. And we're going to see as we head into the evening, this cooler air really begin to settle in. So all those areas of slush that we have currently across the area, those will begin to ice up nice and quickly. So definitely prepare for that as you head into the evening. Watch for those slick areas. And then by tomorrow, it looks like temperatures should be close to where they should be for this time of the year. Right now at 23 degrees, winds out of the north 23 miles per hour with light snow falling for us here in Marquette. Lower 20s in Marquette. Westward a bit cooler as we'll notice more of those upper teens in Ontonagon or in Ironwood at 21 currently in Ontonagon, 24 in Houghton. Upper 20s as you head farther south in Florence and in Menominee, and eastward mid to upper 20s in Manistee and in Munising. Right now at 30 degrees in Escanaba, 32 over into St. Ignace and Ishpeming at 23 degrees. Winds out of the north at 17 in Houghton, 17 right now in Munising, while at 9 in Escanaba and 15 in Iron Mountain. And looking at temperatures across the state, 20s and a few 30s as you go across the eastern portions of the UP, seeing lower 40s showing up in Alpena and in Oscoda, and also seeing 50s. Yes, that mild down there into Flint, Detroit, and in Port Huron. You almost can say it's warm down there with those type of temperatures, especially for this time of the year. But the cool air is on its way back in, so instead of the 30s that they're seeing with the milder air and the wind, well, we are seeing the single digits for our current wind chills at 7 in Marquette, 6 degrees in Ironwood, and at 16 in Iron Mountain. It could even expect those to fall below zero as we head into the night. So looking at our headlines, much colder with less snow as we go into the evening. Very slight chance of maybe seeing an inch, but it shouldn't be much more than that. Isolated light snow showers as we head into Thursday afternoon, and patchy areas of sunshine do return for us as we get closer to Friday. But here's a look at the setup right now. Snow working its way out of here. Cooler air coming in on the backside of this, knocking us back down to those seasonal values. And as we head into Thursday, we are expecting that a weak disturbance comes in, provides a slight enhancement in the snow. So that's why we will see some of that light snowfall across the region, but that gets out of here just as quickly as we go into tomorrow night. But for this evening, lake effect snows will taper off for us. Here we go on into Thursday. Very weak feature coming in from the west, provides that slight chance of snow, moves in and out pretty quickly for us, and then heading into tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, not seeing much of anything, maybe even a few breaks in the clouds before we head on into Friday, and it looks like a lot of this will be well off to our east. Tonight we'll drop down to 12 degrees, colder with snow on the decrease, with winds out of the northwest between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, spotty light snow showers, winds out of the southwest between 5 to 10, not quite as breezy, and also seeing a shift in that wind direction. So here, look at your highs: 23 degrees in Lost, 23 in Altonagon, 25 in Crystal Falls, and at 26 in Escanaba. Temperatures just right around where they were today, but not going to be quite as breezy, so it won't feel as chilly. Your 7-day forecast, looking out for more of those low to mid 20s over the next 3 days for us. Slight chance of snow on both Thursday and also as we head into Saturday. Lows in the low to mid teens. On into Sunday, we'll warm up to 27 with more of that snow on the way for us before much cooler air starts to find its way back to the region. We'll head into Monday at 25, but Tuesday and Wednesday cooling off greatly down to 17 degrees on Tuesday, 11 by next Wednesday, and lows will start to drop down into the single digits on both of those days.